Hey guys, I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
Today we're doing something scary.
We're cleaning out each other's closets. We need to do this for each other because Nina is a hoarder.
That's not true. I'm not a hoarder.
Compared to me, you're a hoarder.
I wear the same stuff. Like guys, I've worn the same
I literally
romper
wear the same clothes every day.
for 5 years. It's actually Randa's romper.
Yeah, and I'm just so lazy. I feel like I need to get rid of some stuff. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you would like our clothes.
Because there's hopefully going to be a lot to give away.
Yay, let's find out.
Alright, so let's see whose we're doing first.
Let's go into your room.
We're going to do mine because I need the most help. I was going to say rock, paper, scissors.
Fine. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me. Let's go into Nina's room.
Alright.
Welcome to
my room.
to the disaster. Look at this stuff.
This is
all
my
on the ground.
dirty clothes
What is
pile.
this? Dirty clothes. We got this. What's
Wait,
why
why don't you
in
introduce
here?
my room?
Look at these drawers. These are massive drawers, and yet they're still filled to the rims. Is anything folded? No.
I just have too much stuff. I don't know where to put everything.
What about this? What's all in here? Look at these bags of crap.
know.
How old is this? Rotting.
Wait, why
mess?
is that in there?
Good question.
Ew, can you get that out of here?
Let's start with your closet first. Let's go through these clothes, see if there's anything you can get rid of.
So then, okay, let's start with my closet, I guess.
This was your idea, Nina, because
This video
you just
was
need
my idea.
your room cleaned by me. Let's get started.
We're gonna start on this side of the closet. First, maybe I should put this in like a dirty clothes hamper.
Let's just
Okay.
get it over there. Let's begin.
Really embarrassing to bring a lover into this room, like I'll be honest.
How many
Like, let's go to your place.
Are you bringing in here?
Oh, lots.
A lot.
No, that's yours.
First of all, some of your stuff is mine. Okay.
Okay, so I got these pants.
They
They're
look
like
big.
too big. Yeah, I was like in a phase where I'm like, oh, I think it'd be fun to look, I don't know, a little thicker. So I got pants that were too big for me. But I don't really wear them anymore, so maybe I should get rid of them.
I think you should get rid of them. Give
I
them
don't
to
think
someone
they're that
else.
flattering.
Yeah, this is mine.
That is yours. Do you want to keep that?
It's kind of quirky, so I like it. I feel like this is good for the winter. I literally haven't worn this in years because it's been in here.
Okay,
I will keep it.
so this is a skirt. I got it as it has like a businesswoman jacket, so I kept it for auditions, but I don't really like it, but I can wear it for auditions.
I would keep that.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Oh.
Didn't you get this from the Goodwill or something?
Yeah, no, I like that vest. Don't you think it's cool? You're gonna get rid of it?
We'll keep it. We'll keep it.
I want
You
to get rid of
literally
those.
have
I've
never worn
those.
this.
Those are hideous.
They're
They're
hideous.
literally like Lord of the Rings pants.
Look at this. You're getting rid of these.
They're like potato sack pants.
Where's the giveaway pile?
just on my bed.
On the floor with the rest of your clothes.
These I wanted to get rid of too. They're
Oh
like
yeah,
old-
get rid of. Oh my
gross
gosh.
pants.
They have.
An
They're like
elastic.
jeggings and they have an elastic.
This could be
band on
good
them.
for when you're like pregnant, I guess. But
Oh
that's
my
not
gosh,
gonna be
like in 9
a
months
while from
when you're
now.
showing, right?
No,
No?
I'm not pregnant. Okay, these pants I got years ago. Don't need them anymore.
Oh,
but they're like pretty
those are
cute.
cool, but they
You-
do
you
have
want
that. I'll keep them.
Are you serious?
The thing is, like, you've
You're
worn them so
never-
much that I don't want to wear them.
You're never gonna wear that.
I'm never gonna wear this.
Get rid of it.
Who wants them?
These are actually yours as well.
Oh my gosh, yeah. See,
Do you want them?
I feel like I have I don't really like low-rise.
Okay,
pants
this
as
is
much.
supposed to be my closet, and it's literally like, do you want this? Do you?
No.
Okay,
Why
then
do
I'm
you
getting rid
have
of
all
it.
my clothes?
I don't know. This is a BCBG dress that I wore to a wedding.
You should definitely keep
I should
this.
keep that. That's like smoking hot. And then this is like a dress room reformation that I just got recently, so I'm gonna keep that.
Keep these. This. Remember this
Yes.
jumper? You're gonna keep this.
Do you like this?
I mean, I feel like it's a statement, but
No,
I would
I like it.
never
Wear it yourself.
wear it myself.
No, I like it.
Okay, you're gonna keep that. Halloween.
Halloween? Why can't I wear it on a normal day?
You can.
It's like a
Big,
gown.
sparkly dress.
We wore this in the
Please.
Kardashians are fake. I'm so real.
Kardashians are fake. I'm so real.
Okay, you're never gonna wear this again, but you can just keep it for
Yeah.
a minute. So like, put that over there. Looks like a
You like
dance
this?
costume. This is horrible. Well, it's not horrible. It's just
It's
not
nothing
that
I'd
cute.
wear. Oh, it's kind of matches what you're wearing. I should just get rid of it. I've never worn it.
get rid of it. It's not flattering. What about this?
I wouldn't wear this again. I should just get rid of it.
Really?
Do you think I should keep it?
I think you should keep it.
I've worn this in a Who's Most Likely To video. I'll insert it.
I think you should keep this.
What am I gonna wear?
You
to,
can still
though?
wear it in a video.
But I've already worn it in a video.
So
that
what?
struggle of like when something's such a statement, you like can't wear it again in
Yes,
a
you
video.
can in Christmas, like the holidays.
Christmas? Okay, then I'll keep it. This is obviously a keep.
Yeah, that's really cute. Keep it. So.
Okay, I love this dress. You guys have seen this. I was gonna go to a wedding in Ireland, so I got like a 4-leaf clover dress. So we have to keep this.
This? Are you gonna get rid of this?
Thing is, I don't really wear that anymore.
I
other
would
than
get rid of this.
if I can't find underwear and I just like want.
Look at how long this is. I feel like this
It's a
is
muumuu.
This is like
It's like if you're pregnant, you wear it.
I feel like I want to just have a bunch of cats put me in this outfit.
Right.
You know?
It looks like a dress.
I think we've moved on from this.
We could use this at the beach to sit on. I'm gonna get rid of it.
This
So-
red dress, I would also say
It's inside
it's
out.
good for a costume. We wore this again.
Well, here's the thing. This is a good for like if you need to do a Renaissance costume, but I'm always thinking about costume kind of stuff.
but you don't actually wear it.
No, I don't think I would. Turn
Okay.
around. See, that's like pretty and elegant, you know?
Yeah.
So I think we should keep it.
Keep it, but you'll never wear it.
Yeah.
This is another
Gotta keep
gorgeous BCBG dress. Definitely keeping that. Just go ahead and put that over there. Legit seen you wear this once.
I wore this to the Mercy for Animals event.
Okay, so twice. We'll keep this. Okay, we can't get rid of this because this was in our You're My Paradise music video.
you wash the gray away. Anyway, so
We should
yeah, I
insert
can't get
that.
rid of that.
This guy, you've had this for
You
a
think
while.
this should go?
I think it should go. It looks old.
It does. It doesn't.
It looks
Looks
old.
old.
Another BCBG
BCBG
dress.
dress. Okay. This whole, I don't need to boast about all the BCBG I own, but this is from LF. This is like a Romeo and Juliet kind of dress. Do you think I should keep it?
I think you should keep it.
Yeah.
Also, I think this is mine.
No, that's mine.
Oh wait, I have one like this.
This is like, I wear it for like costumes for Halloween.
Okay, we'll keep that.
That's yours. Get that out of here.
Get this out of here. I kind of want to get rid of it.
Would you ever wear that?
It's so big.
Hold on, let me put it on.
Who wants it?
Like LF, the girls would have us try on all these clothes and they'd
Like,
be
you
like,
look so good.
you look so cool.
And I'm
I'd be
like,
yeah,
"Okay,
you're
right."
I need to get it then. And then
then,
later on, I'm
I'm like
like,
a few $1,000s later, you're like, damn it.
some of it was good. Okay, actually, this isn't as bad now that it's on.
I just would. It's like here's
It's-
the thing.
it's
It's
a little
so like this. Look at the sides. Look at the sides. They just open and it's so big that it doesn't
It
actually
doesn't
keep
give you warm, and it's not. I like kind of like more smaller.
Practical.
No,
It's
like
not
smaller
practical.
things that make you feel like tiny.
This doesn't need to be hung up. Let's get rid
Yeah,
of
it
that.
doesn't. No, I want to keep this.
Okay, you can keep it.
You wear it.
I wore. This will be good in the winter. Keep
Yeah.
it.
Honestly, the hardest part of the triathlon, getting this stuff on.
Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this dress in so long. This is
That's
mine.
yours. You can have it.
Thanks.
These
These
are
are
tie up.
freaking cool
Oh,
jeans.
I love those.
You never wear them.
I didn't know what they were.
Yeah, that's the trouble.
It's
with
also
us.
really hot in the summer.
Okay, you know what? I want to get out of this shirt now.
Yeah.
We're
Okay,
back.
so this I wore at the plant stock speech. I feel like
It's like
it's not that cute.
I don't.
but-
Yeah, I don't like it that much. To be
I don't like it
honest.
that much
I
either.
would get rid of it.
Yeah. Where's it from?
LF. We'll keep those. This is a real
Oh, I love that.
vintage hand-me-down jacket.
I'm glad I know what that is. I
That's
love
cute.
that.
Wait, no, wait. Did she give it to me? No, she gave me something else.
Reformation jeans. These are
Whoa.
yours.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I haven't seen these in so freaking long. Did you borrow them?
No.
What the heck?
I have my own jeans.
I was thinking about these jeans today, and I was like, what happened to them?
I don't know why I got army pants. Like, what? I have not worn these once. We have a sparkly top.
You guys got another pair of ripped jeans.
What do I do with this
I
top?
have the same top. It's
Yeah.
freaking itchy. So
Is
I'll
it
never
itchy?
wear it. It is cute though.
It's cute.
Yeah, you should keep that.
Yeah. Should I keep these rocker pants? Like,
Just
if I-
keep them if you're feeling in a rocker mood. I think they're cool.
I'm just like, don't like
you
dress
just
like a
don't wear
rocker.
anything of this stuff.
Yeah, because I walk around naked everywhere.
we actually haven't been like legit shopping. Like,
'Cause
a
when
big
we were,
shopping
like,
haul. for a while.
22, we like spent. I mean, how much do you think we spent at LF?
Like over the course of the year, 10,000
Each.
12,000.
Yeah.
something crazy. I don't do that anymore. That was. Why did I do that? No, it's okay.
Because it's all of our clothes. Okay, I don't think I need this anymore. You like it?
It's kind of cool though. Like I'll wear it since it's new. We'll keep it in my closet.
No,
you don't wear
I
it.
kind of like it.
Well, we'll still wear it. I'll keep it in my closet. Get rid of it.
Like, it's like,
You wore this when you were like in 8th grade.
I'm pretty
Am I
sure
right?
I wore this to a funeral.
Okay, just get
Maybe
rid of
not.
it. Well,
I think I
you
did.
could keep it for. That's so morbid. Maybe get rid of it.
This is when we were 18
You still have this?
and used to go shop at Nasty Gal. You guys remember those days?
Wait, is this my dress?
It might have been yours.
Or is this your dress? Or did I just wear it?
I think
Look
it's
at
mine
this.
and you wore it.
I would
I should
never
keep it, right?
wear this.
Should I keep it?
I mean, it is actually
Kinda
kind of
sexy.
cute. We would never wear this these days. I'm like, give me the yoga pants.
Let's keep it.
Here you go. Mom gave this to me. This is real
so
vintage.
cute. Let me
Hold on, wait.
Put it
Hold
on.
up. I needed to
Put it
wash it
on.
because I smelled in it. I stunk it up.
Okay.
How cool is this jacket? I'm so
looks-
glad it's located again.
Oh my god, this is what I've been looking for.
You were saying this today.
I know. I said I need
You're like,
to clean
I'm
out my
missing
room.
an LF dress.
Okay, this LF dress has fruit on it, and I was
That's
literally wondering where it was today.
And now you found it.
And there's little avocados on it, which, by the way, I had avocado like in my burrito this week. It was great.
All right, you're gonna get rid of this, right? This is like from Target in 2007.
20,007. There's a
Wait,
tape on it.
2007.
2007.
It's gotta be. Look how old this is. 2007. Did we have our periods? I don't know. That's the mark of it, I think.
No, that's not 2007.
Wait, shoot. I don't know. This is not that old. We're getting rid of it.
She's gone.
Do tampons expire?
Please let us know in the comments if tampons expire.
Oh God, we still have so much to go through. Look at all these bags. All right, let's start
We have
with
a lot of beanies.
this.
Jeez.
Let's start with this. This. What is this? It's fine. Kind of cute.
That's so weird.
No way. It's bye-bye. Ah! Lift me up!
Okay,
I'm
hold
doing
on,
the
sorry,
work
sorry.
myself!
What
Okay,
have
do
you
it for
ever
my
done?
foot. Do it for my foot. Like bend on your, get on your knees.
No, that seems like a horrible idea. Can I just push your butt up?
Okay, fine.
Okay, you pull up and I'll push up. Go!
That's a horrible idea.
Not working.
Just lift me up.
Ugh.
Gently drop me.
Ugh.
Kawaii culture. That's not yours.
so
A
dumb.
tap shoe. This.
This is an old tap shoe.
Gotta
I
go.
super glued it. I super glued it.
Okay, I think it's safe to say you can get rid of that. Next step, we're gonna put the stuff that she's keeping back in her closet. Roll the fast motion. Check out all of these empty hangers. And this is really as much stuff that she kept. And we have a whole bunch of bags.
Sweetie, we still have this whole drawer to go through.
We're gonna pick
I
this
just
up
found,
tomorrow.
60 euros. That's kind of cool. Ex-vegan video. Do you want to keep this?
I want to keep them because they're good for costumes.
Why do they have to be in my room?
Wait, I feel like we're supposed to take these back.
Maybe we wanted them
Maybe
for
we decided
costumes?
we'd keep them? I guess we'll just keep those there because I don't want them in my closet. This is old, and you can tell. Like in
I don't want that.
I feel like this is like I'm like a hipster,
But like,
you know?
it looks like I should be on the.
Whoa, I'm a
I
hipster.
don't like that.
This is not good.
Well, it lights up and it's for Christmas.
Okay, then you can keep it.
This is from when I was 12 years old. Hold on.
This needs to go.
Should I try this on?
Get rid of it. It doesn't matter.
Should I try it on? It's so puffy.
Sure, you can try it on. Wait,
Is it kind of cute?
it looks too small.
It is. For 12-year-olds.
Okay, let's get rid of it. You should never wear this.
Really?
I don't like it. I feel like
What's
this
wrong
screams
with it?
like there's nothing wrong with owning a lot of cats, but
Why is that
I
bad?
don't know.
Hold on, let me try it on with this dress.
you know, this says to me sloppy, and if you want to be sloppy,
Yeah.
like at least cute sloppy.
This
you know?
isn't cute sloppy?
No.
So when I wore it to the beach the other day, you didn't think it's cute. What's wrong with this?
It's so big. Look at it. Stand
It's
up.
supposed to be big. I like it.
Okay, you want to keep it? That's fine.
Okay, why don't you like it though?
I don't know. It's fine.
I kept that for like
It's
a
kind
business girl audition,
of, yeah, it's kind of,
but I don't like it.
yeah. Should we just we'll get rid of it. What the heck is this?
You don't know what this is from?
Wait, what is this?
You don't know?
What does it say Supergirl on the back? What is this?
Do you really not know?
I seriously don't remember.
What is it from?
What?
Gave me this.
He did? What? Are you kidding me? Why did I ever see this?
What did you just say?
Why did I never see this?
I just don't think I showed anyone.
I just can't believe you never told me that
Well,
he got
he
you
liked
this.
comic books, and then
Wait, that's kind of sweet. Wow, let's see the back. Damn.
what if he's watching this video?
We won't say what we're gonna do with this. I'm just kidding.
Well, you know what?
We can keep this for sentimental
For like the
purposes.
sauna.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Do
This,
we want
is,
this?
is just kind of old. Like
It is old.
It's
I
just,
don't want it anymore.
It's got to be like 8 years old.
Yeah.
We'll just get rid of it. Nobody wears it.
This
Stop.
is too. I mean,
you like
it's
this?
just like too small, and I would
I
never
just
wear
don't
it.
like it. Again, I feel like
No, get rid of it. It's one of those things I bought and didn't wear.
yeah, it's just too much.
Does it happen to anybody else?
Probably everybody.
Yeah.
This
Okay,
is mine.
yours.
I want this
I
for
had
the
this
winter.
in blue, but it broke, so you can keep that.
I never wear. You have another really nice robe.
Yeah, get rid of
Get
it.
rid of it.
And
you
this
can
is
keep
a
this.
Tommy Hilfiger coat.
Keep
That's
that.
really
Put that
cute.
in the. Keep that.
Legendary piece of
You
clothing.
gotta keep this.
Look at this hat.
Oof.
These are
Are
yours.
so freaking old, and I will never wear them
Get rid
again.
of them.
I'm gonna throw away this Converse in the trash.
Day 2. Alright guys, finished product of my room. Still gotta kind of clean that little junk off, but my closet is wildly organized. This is so much better. Everything that I actually wear. I didn't know I would feel this good to clear out their closet. You guys should all do this. We don't need clutter. And honestly, I didn't even realize how much it was stressing me out until it was gone. And I was like, wish I would have done this 2 years ago. All right, Randy, you want to do the outro? Gotta get rid of these bags. Oh, you're not gonna give the outro. Do you want to give the outro in your towel?
No.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see me clear out Miranda's closet. And comment what kind of videos you want to see in the future. And we will see you next video.